Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi, I'm Terri Cumming from terricumming.com, and I normally do a DIY, but today I'm doing a life hack, which is how to get rid of hiccups. And there are so many different ways that I have tried. A few of them are drinking water upside down. I'm sure we've all tried that. There is holding your breath.
Boo!
There is a delayed scare, which doesn't really, none of them have worked for me. So I have something that someone showed me that has worked every single time. So what you will need for this life hack is a glass of water and another person. So I have my trusty wife with her two hands. You can use two different people, one with each hand. You just need two additional hands and a chair to sit in. So what you're going to do, come assistant. Oh yeah, I have the hiccups. Get your hands out of my face. So I'll stop my hiccups for a minute. I think I can do that. No, I better not. That's not very realistic. Because they are. Okay, so you will take your, they're really close to my ears. You're giving it away. So when you have your hiccups, you take your water, you take your person with two hands or two people with one hand, and you get them to put their, you sit in the chair and you get them to put their hands over your ears. And then you're gonna just drink your water until it's gone. Okay, so let's see if they're gone. They're gone! So it really does work if you really have the hiccups. So that is my life hack of the week. I'm Terri Cumming from terricumming.com, and thanks for stopping by. If you've liked what you've seen, you can click on the screen and you can subscribe, or you can subscribe down below the video in the description. You can also give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Again, I'm Terri Cumming. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon. Keep on keeping it real.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.